Hello, 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 beautiful people. Diva Risse style here, and I'm back with another video. Hey girl, hey guy, hey y'all. How y'all been? Okay. Well, I'm back with another video. As you can see from the title, we're doing an unboxing. Okay, a little luxury or whatever, a little lux, or whatever, yes. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what did I get? What did I get? I got a bag. A bag, girl. I got a bag.
I'm excited. Me too.
From Brandon Blackwood, honey. Brandon Blackwood. If you know, you know. If you don't, let me tell you, girl. Who is Brandon Blackwood? I'm sure y'all have seen the bags and systematic racism and all that. But yeah, he came out with, you know, a lavish collection of all colors, styles, prints, and just material bags, and I'm here for it. I am here for it. And he black, girl, black owns, hey. So from his website it says Brandon Blackwood was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, hey, stand up. He is of Jamaican and Chinese descent, spending most of his childhood traveling New York and Tokyo. He majored in neuroscientific physiology, psychology, at Bard University. He quickly realized he would rather be in fashion, and then he started to get his handbag collection popping. So in 2020, that's when he came out with the bag that says "End Systematic Racism," and I'll insert a picture of one so y'all can see. But yeah, we got one of his bags, girl. Let's do this unboxing, because I just got the bag. Before we do the unboxing, let me tell you about UPS. They didn't even knock on the door. Gonna leave a note on the door saying they're gonna drop my package off at the store.
What?
Like, excuse me, y'all can't redeliver tomorrow? Why I gotta come to the store? Why is it 2 days for them to get the bag at the UPS location? So I'm just getting it. Literally, I ordered the bag on Thursday. Friday, it came. They took it to the store, and it wasn't there till Monday. It's Monday right now. So, girl, I was like, I want my bag. I just walked in there like, your name? Boop, pass me the bag. I'm like, why they couldn't leave it at the door? They always leave it at the door. Anywho, let's get into it. Y'all like my hair? Pearls for the girls on this twist out. Follow me on Instagram so you can see why I have my hair like this. And the vibe, the outfit, and everything. Because this is the gag and I love it. Pearls for the girls. So let's unbox this baby. It comes in a lovely box like such. We're gonna open that top like bow. Says his name all through there. Ow. Booyah. Brandon Blackwood, New York. What it say up in here? We got a little written note, okay? It says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO, Brandon Blackwood. Thank you. Thanks, and more thanks. So let me tell y'all what bag this is. The Kuei bag, Dalmatian. So it comes in a little baggie. Baby got a bag. So it came in here in a box like that. And I'm insert a clip of when I first opened it, because I took the tissue paper off, because girl, I wanted to see it. So we don't have the tissue paper. Let me show you the tissue paper though, in case you want to see. It just says his name all over, Brandon Blackwood. But look at her. Wow. Girlfriend, tell me this is not cute. Tell me she is not giving what she's supposed to give. It's the pony print, Dalmatian pony print bag, girl. How cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to wear this. I want to wear this today. Like, where I'm going. Let's go get some ice cream, babe. But yeah, this is so cute. And guess what? She got feet. Ooh, and her feet got covering. Girl, keep them feet. Put your shoe back on. Put your shoe on. Yes, Brandon Blackwood. So we got 2 handles here. I just love how it closes in the middle. You see that snap? So you unsnap it and lift it up. The inside, we have a launch strap. A nice long strap, same print. Love that for me. And it has an inside pocket right there. Probably can't see it, but it has an inside pocket. It doesn't zip, but it's inside. And yeah, this is so cute. And she unzips. It really unzips. I'm so excited. I was like, let me order one bag to see how the quality is, if I really, really love it. And girl, I love it. So if y'all see me on here with another one, you know why. You know why. Look how cute. It's the perfect size. My phone can fit, my keys, my wallet. My lip gloss is popping, my face mask, my hand sanitizer, some lotion and some tissues. Yes, this is so cute. So my bag, this is name right there in silver to match, you know, the zipper and everything. How cute. Girl, this is it. This is everything. I love it. I love it. Thank you for watching my unboxing, honey. Yes. Let's sit her right here because she's so pretty. So pretty. Well guys, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you so I could show y'all my bag before I wear it, because you know I'm wearing it. Thank you for tuning into my video. Make sure you like, share, follow, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you got one of Brandon's bags or whatever, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!